Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a high puff on my short hair. Now listen, I know, okay? I know that there's like a billion other high puff tutorials out there, okay? So just consider this my contribution to, that pile of high puff tutorials that's already on the internet. So I'm gonna be putting two braids in the front of mine. So I just did a part down the middle, and then another part on the side. Is it the side? I mean, technically it is the side of my head, but not really the side of my head. It's like almost where the arch of my brows start area. You guys saw what I did. So I'm just clipping the rest of the hair away so they can stay out of my way. And I'm going to spray some water on that piece just to make my hair pliable so I can manipulate it. My hair is in an old wash and go and it's not detangled, so I didn't want to just go right in and braid it because then I would pull all my hair out and like we don't want that. So water is your friend when you're working on curly hair, at least for me, okay? I need water, okay? If you can't braid down to your scalp, you can go ahead and do flat twists. I think that's so cute. And I'm just gonna do that to the other side. And now I'm spraying the rest of my hair down with water because once again, I need my hair to be pliable. I need it to be able to move, so I'm not breaking my hair off. You really don't want to do anything to your hair when it's dry and not detangled, okay? Because what we gonna do, break it off. And we don't want that. Unless you do want that, then go right on ahead. So just gonna work that water in and basically kind of reactivating the product that I already have on my hair. Now I'm taking a headband, one of those stretchy elastic bands. First of all, the faces that I'm making is crazy. The reason that I was making those faces is because my hair was soaking wet and like when it touched my scalp, it just felt weird. So you're going to go ahead and put that in. Make sure all your hair is in the band and you're going to wrap it around and pull it on over. Again, I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen like a million high puff tutorials, okay? So you want to make sure before you pull the headband up, you want to make sure that all of the hair is through it and none of it is caught up or rolled up in between those bands, okay? Because when you roll the band up to create your puff, it's going to pull your hair out. And once again, what do we not want? We don't want our hair to be pulled out. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and do that. And now that we got all of our hair through, we're gonna go ahead and push the headband up. Why did I say it like that? Push the headband up and just adjust it to how big or small you want your puff. And I'm not gonna lie, Chad, that thing rolled all the way up. I was like I was out here looking like an onion, okay? So I'm just smoothing the back, and making sure everything got into the hairband, and making sure it's all smooth, okay? Nice and smooth because we don't got that much hair to work with, you know what I'm saying? So we got to make sure that every inch of the hair is in the headband. So now I'm just readjusting it to make my puff, look a little bigger, okay, or whatever. And yeah. All right, so it's time for edges. I'm going in with my favorite edge control. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the pineapple scent. It smells so good. Okay. Doing my edges probably has to be my favorite part of styling. I love to play my edges up, and this is preference, honestly. There's just some people who don't like to do their edges, and ain't nothing wrong with that. I hate when people shame other people for not doing something or because they're doing something. Like, let people do what they want to do, okay? But for me, I like doing my edges, okay? I just feel like it brings my look together. So now I'm going to go in with the Wetline Extreme Gel and just redefine some of those curls at the top where I feel like it's a little frizzy. So I'm not gonna redo the entire puff because ain't nobody got time for that. And like my curls are defined, I'm just going into the pieces that I feel are a little frizzy. And yeah, we are done. It's super quick, super easy, and I'm so excited that my hair has gotten to this stage because I used to love rocking my puffs. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.